Hello, Mortgage Coach members. This is Marcy here at the Mortgage Coach, and in this video, I'm going to go over our HELOC feature. HELOC loans can be used for purchase money, debt consolidation, refinance, combo loans, or loans against a free and clear property. The HELOC is a product loan type and can be selected on the first page of your product screen. The HELOC product type can also be added as a product template as well. Let's show you exactly how it works. On the first page of your product screen, enter in the loan details. And when you get to the loan type, click on the drop-down menu, where you will see the fixed, ARM, and the new HELOC loan type. By selecting the HELOC loan type, you are now given additional parameters that are specific to HELOC loan types. The parameters give you the ability to add a draw period and select the minimum payment as a dollar amount or a percentage. If you enter in a percentage or a dollar amount in the greater than option, this amount will override the payment calculated automatically based on the terms of the ARM details. And any amount that's over and above the calculated payment will then be applied to the principal. HELOCs are amortized and are recalculated every month based on the daily interest starting from day one during the draw period. After the draw period, HELOCs are then reamortized for the remaining term. For this example, let's leave the minimum payment greater of option field boxes blank and enter in a draw period of 60. As you can see, in addition to the new parameters, the system will also populate the ARM details screen when you click on Next, allowing you to enter in the terms of the HELOC. If you choose not to enter in any ARM details, the system will automatically calculate the amortization. The amortization factors initially are the draw period, which is considered the interest-only period, and the index. Automatically, the default index for HELOC loan types is set to the prime index. Now let's take a look at the presentation by clicking on Presentation, Amortization Schedule, and then Preview Amortization Schedule. Now the draw period is the interest-only period. Now let's scroll down and look at month 60 and take a look at the payment. As you can see, the client then re-enters the repayment period, and the principal balance is then re-amortized based on the remaining term during the repayment period. Now let's close this amortization schedule and begin with our second product, where we will use the minimum payment greater of field boxes. Now let's add another product by clicking on the monthly costs page and then clicking on Add Another Product. Now for this product, I'm going to copy the first product or the HELOC product and just enter in the minimum payment greater. So let's give our product a name. And then click on Copy from Another Product and select the HELOC product. Now let's scroll down and enter in a minimum payment greater of $300. When using the minimum payment greater field boxes, you will want to be sure that the percentage or minimum payment greater than exceeds the interest-only payment during the draw period. Otherwise, your amortization schedule will not reflect additional principal at month 1. Now let's navigate to our presentation screen and select the HELOC using greater of first, and then click on Preview Amortization Schedule. Here you can see that the draw period or interest-only period for month 1 is the $187.50 again. However, with a minimum payment greater of $300, the excess is being applied to the principal, reducing the principal loan balance, and the interest only is recalculating every month based on the daily interest. Now let's scroll down to month 60. After the draw period, once again, the client re-enters the repayment period and the principal balance is then re-amortized based on the remaining term until the principal balance is completely paid off. Now you can begin entering in your own HELOCs, and if you run into any questions, reach out to us at support@mortgagecoach.com.